My name is Noah Staton, and I'm from Denver, Colorado. I was a lot attendant and a detailer for Rickenbaugh Automotive Group in Denver, downtown Denver, Colorado. Nothing at all. None of this is all of this is new to me. I still have another 2 more weeks here, so I'm here for a total of 4 weeks. So right now I can do the fenders, and I can do an open door panel, and I can do the hoods as well. So the first 3 days were really tough. It's just a lot of learning process. Really, it's just learning how the speed of how fast you need to go, the depth of how quickly you need to do everything. And basically right now, I'm still struggling, but it's getting better. After training, I'm gonna go back to my dealership. I'm gonna work there for about 3 to 4 years, and then I'm gonna go out on my own and create my own business. It's the #1 institute in the United States. Everyone comes here if you wanna learn the right way to PDR. I love it. It's a very family-oriented place. It's very great. Thank you, Dean King. Thank you, Todd, and thank you, James.